Corporate 75 hard, just ran 4 miles. You might as well join me, okay? I'm starting it up officially in the next couple days. The time will pass anyways, all right? Every person watching this, God willing, you'll be around in 75 days. It'll be November, right? You're getting ready to, maybe you're traveling home like me, getting ready to have that big Thanksgiving meal, big Thanksgiving dinner, right? Don't you want to feel like you've earned it? Don't you want to feel like you spent the last 75 days working towards a better version of yourself? I know I will, okay? So the time's gonna pass anyways. If you wanna join me, comment below. It's gonna be a community thing. It's gonna be a group thing. I'm gonna be out here every single day, cheering y'all on, doing it myself, right? Yeah, man, Corporate 75 hard. We're out here.